Alright, so in my first run through of the elimination method, in my sickened dazed state, right here, I didn't realize that this was a negative 16. So when I did negative 16 plus 4, I thought it was positive 16 plus 4, and I made a 20, where I should have done negative 16 plus 4 is negative 12. So anyway, let's just restart this elimination method right off from the beginning. Still taking this x minus 4 equals 4y minus 16. I want to get all of my variable terms on the left and all of my constant terms on the right. So we're going to have x, and just like last time, I'm going to subtract 4y from each side of the equation. I'll cancel out of this side. Now here I'm going to add 4, and this time I'm going to do it correctly, recognizing that this is a negative 16 here, plus 4. Negative 16 plus 4 is negative 12. So now I have this equation, I have the one from up here originally, x equals 3y. So for my x equals 3y equation, hopefully you guys can still see all this, yeah. So right up here, x equals 3y, I'm going to just bring that 3y over. So it'll be x minus 3y equals 0. So that's the equation I'm going to use down here. I'm going to use this one. X minus 4y equals negative 12, and x minus 3y equals 0. So using the elimination method, now that I've got both of these equations to have my variable terms on the left and my constant terms on the right, I'm just going to do the math now. X, positive x, minus a positive x is a 0. So those are a 0 pair. They cancel each other. Negative 4y minus negative 3y. We know that a negative minus, we know that subtracting a negative is the same as adding. So this is negative 4 essentially plus 3y, leaving us with negative y. Negative 12 minus 0 is negative 12. Divide by negative 1 on each side to give you y equals 12. And that's the same answer that we had over on the other side. So that would be the exact same from here on out. We would plug our y in for this, this equation. So x equals 3y, meaning x equals 3 times 12. X equals 36. So we have solved x to be 36, meaning that Eric's current age is 36 and Sam's current age is 12 years old.